It's December 2024, and I know there are some people, they are very, very happy, very excited. But there's some people, they are still complaining the economy is harsh, the economy is harsh. I want to ask you, is the economy harsh? You have your answer, whether it's harsh or not. But what we are telling you from the beginning of this year is to plan your financial goal. I'm not saying then that we introduce all our products to you. We want you to actually have your financial goal so that at the end of December, it won't be as this. Yes, in Nigeria, things are really moving up. And the inflation is not helping. You can't put 1 million in the bank today and in the next month, you are saying it's still 1 million. Because what 1 million will buy this month is different from what 1 million naira it will buy the next month. Because one way or the other, the inflation, we need to weigh inflation. We've told you over and over again, we are still going into 2025. And before 2025, you can still take advantage of all these offers we have you. One of the offers we introduced to you this year alone, and we've been doing video back to back, is real estate cash back. Oh, you don't want to buy land. There is problem on the land. Is the land has title? If it's for the house, does it have building approval? Lagos State is demolishing everywhere. You are so scared. Which one do you want to do? Is it that you are still jittering? You are still saying you don't want to invest? Investment is risky. Even the life that you are living is very, very risky. I will tell you, do a calculated risk. And that is why we keep showing you how you can invest in real estate. If you don't want to buy house, if you don't want to buy land, we tell you you can invest in real estate cash back. There's a company that can do that for you, and you still get money in your bank account. The profit, the return on investment, you can't keep running helter-skelter. You don't want to do anything, but you can spend. See, if you're spending and your expenditure is more than your income, you know what it means. You actually know what it means. And for our subscriber, you just sit on the fence. You don't want to do anything. Or you just sit on the fence. You are okay with your life, with your income, you have work. You are not planning to invest. See, the old age will tell you. It is the old age. And nobody can hold time. There was a time we are in 2023, 2024, this is December. Before we know it, 2025, what do you actually want to do? Do you still be running helter-skelter, doing a rat race? You don't want to invest. Real estate is still one of the safest investments you can do. Either you want to buy land, or you want to buy house, or you want to do investment. We have everything. Yes, we have everything. At Salesville Property, we have everything. We'll still introduce to you because we want this video to go viral. That is why we are introducing all of our products to you. We are not tired because we've not even started. For real estate cashback for December 2024, you can still enjoy 35% return on investment. Either you want to do 500,000 to whatsoever amount you want to do. But guess what? If you are doing to the tune of 50 million naira, you have extra ROI. Though we are doing 35% return on investment, just call the number showing on your screen. Tell me, Olashile, I am doing more than 50 million naira, or I am doing 50 million naira. There is still extra ROI for you when you are doing that. So this is still the best time to invest in real estate cashback. Look at people now, they are cashing out. I have investors over several months, January, February, March, and they are cashing out different months. We have a lot of success story. This is not time to come and persuade you need to do. I am telling you something that we've tested. We've proven it over and over. We've tested it, and I can tell you, this is real deal for you. If you're doing 1 million naira, you know at the end of 12 months, what 1 million naira we do for you. The higher the capital, the higher the return on investment. I am using this time to tell you, you can still invest in real estate cashback. 35% ROI. I'm not telling you that I'm going to deduct tax. We are not deducting anything from your ROI, because there are some ROI that still need to deduct tax and the rest. We are not deducting anything, and we have security for you. We have land for you as collateral, that at the end of 12 months you give us the land back, then we give you the money. So we are doing this just to make sure that your investment is safe and secure. We have land as collateral for you. We have possessed check as another collateral for you. Security, we put all these things in place, and this is our 6 years, almost 6 years in this business, because we are a real estate company, and we are into a lot of things: travel agency, real estate development, we are into agriculture, we are into a lot of things. But for this real estate cashback, we channel your investment to land. And when you tell me, what can you show for it? We have a lot of land that we can show for it. We have a lot of estate that we can show for it. We have a lot of things that we can show for it, especially this real estate, because real estate, we know this thing very well. We have our Tiwa Garden Phase 1, which is sold out. Our Tiwa Commercial Hub, which is sold out. Our Tiwa Garden Phase 2, which is still selling. Our Arizona Estate, which is still selling. Our other Prime in Ibadan, which is still selling. Our Lekki Pride 1 in Naija. Other duplexes are sold out. We sold out on 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom. We are only selling 1-bedroom apartment, going for 50 million naira in a strategic location in Naija. And we have our Lekki Pride 2, which is sold out. We have our Lekki Pride 3, which is sold out. So we have a lot of things to show for it, because when we are telling you investments, you need to calculate your risk, and you need to know what we are using your money to do. This is another clearing call to tell you to invest in real estate cashback. I don't know what sweet past this ROI that I'm telling you, because your money is just there and we are using it, and at the end of 12 months, we give you your capital back, we give you your return on investment, and we've put all these things together for over 6 years, no default on our side, and our clients are happy. If you want to do this and you're very convinced, or maybe you still have 1 or 2 questions you want to ask me, I will tell you, call the number showing on your screen right away. This is not the time to cajole you. We've proven it. Is tested, is trusted, and we've never defaulted anybody for over 6 years that we have been doing it. This is not jolly just come. This is not, oh, they want to use my money to do something. We have reputation, and our name is more than gold or silver. So this is the time to invest. And if you want to buy land, we have numerous for you. We are running Ember promo. Give us a call right away. Let's show you all the juicy offer that we have. It's still real estate cashback. And if you recognize my face very well, we've been go and check our videos that we've been doing for like 6 years ago. You will know that this is not the first time that we are investing for our clients and they are getting their money. 35% return on investment is a good thing for you, because we are not telling you, come and carry cement, come and carry block, come and carry this. And you are not paying rent for this, your investment we are doing. We do this for you, and at the end of 12 months, you get your capital and you get your return on investment. We are licensed by Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. This is not backyard investment. This is not Ponzi investments. Because I'm not telling you now in 6 weeks, I'll promise you 1 big ROI. No, we've done our assignments. And for us, doing business in Nigeria, you know how Nigeria is now. We are still doing this business, and we've never defaulted anybody in this real estate cashback. I still remain Olashile David. When you see the name, when you hear the name, you know what we represent. Olashile David is my name, and I'm always be here to help you to invest wisely when we're talking about the real estate investments in Nigeria. We've spread across other states. We are in Oyo State in Ibadan. We are in Edo State, Benin City. We are everywhere. Enugu, we are in Ogun State in Abeokuta. We have a lot of investments that we can point you to, because we serve as consultants for our clients too. It's not that we just want to, they've collected commission, they will go. No, 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 no. This is long-term thing for us. We are not doing this to Japa. We are still in Nigeria, as Nigeria is sweet at this time. We are still here to help you to make your real estate dream come true. I'll be expecting your call, and number is boldly on this video. Call us right away, or you can send out a DM just to make inquiry any of the property you want to invest on. But on this real estate cashback is a real deal, because I have a lot of testimonials on that. I have a client that have been doing it for like 3 years more now, that every day is, oh, thank you, Olashile. Thank you that the time that we met you, yes, you guide us to this real estate cashback. Today, they have 12 units of 2-bedroom apartments in Port Harcourt, and it's tenanted as we speak. And it's the profit of real estate cashback that this couple use to do this. Not their capital, not their gratuity, not their pension salary, not everything. It's from the ROI. I know it's very, they will tell you, oh, it's risky. How do they know? It is a Ponzi scheme. This is not Ponzi. Because any investment you are doing, you will still wait till 12 months to get 35% return on investments. I don't want to talk too much, because I think I'm talking too much. Not this time again, because this is the real deal. And you know yourself that this will be the game changer for you in your financial goal. I'll be expecting your call. Call us right away. Our number is there. And also, if you're coming across our channel for the first time, subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Property. We are everywhere. Google us, you will meet us there. Check us on LinkedIn, Twitter, IG. Check us everywhere. This is YouTube. Type the name. We are always here for you, and we are always here to answer all your inquiry. Bring it on. We are here for you. Thanks for watching this video. Remain blessed. Bye for now.